rabbit number 3. He just ran down on the other side of the dam there on the lake. We went to the lake. We walked up here. Billy wouldn't leave that tree alone. I nipped him and he wouldn't come to me, so we had to end up, he was digging. So, but here we are. This is the slough back in here. And I think we might be able to find another one pretty quick here. So I'll be back when we get one going. I think we got rabbit number 3. They're warming up on something. He came right out of here, and there's like a little rabbit trail right here, I think. They walked right down in there. We'll see. A little pond out here. A little wetland area we're heading down to. They're not sure. I got one going. Sounds pretty hot. Billy's chopping hard on it, or Boogie is. Yeah, that's a good hot one. Let's see if it makes a right. They come right up this little moser up here. So we're being the meat hunter. Ben and Gordon Struthers and James and oh gosh, there's son. Got his name. Turns left, it'll go around the other side of that pond. Head up to that farm. They're coming back this way, so. saw me standing here, so. Got some private property, probably about 150 yards off to my right here. They're taking it down to the left here, so that's good. They started this rabbit right down in here. So, rabbit number 3. There's a little pond right here to my left. Got a little meadow here, ringed with these trees. There it is. It just went underneath that cedar tree and back down the hill. There they come. There they go. This rabbit squatted on him. He had a pretty good little check there. This is about where the rabbit came through the last time. about as far as it went last time. He should turn any time now and come back. I guess I kind of like to see my dogs a little predictable with their runs. They're coming back. I think this is the little trail that Bunny took last time. Right here. Went down. So maybe this is where I'll catch him this one. This rabbit's moving. I just missed him. He was coming up the hill here. There he is. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Going up. Going up. Going up. I don't want to move him because I want him to get a good rest, but I just got to get a little video of him. There he goes. Pew! Here comes the little Heartland pack. Came right over here by me. There it's going. Right there. Now we know where it went. It jumped and landed right in there. So let's find out who gets this one. That Billy gets it right there. Right there. Yep. And that's it. That's rabbit number 3. I'm going to call this one done. I watered my dogs. Here it is March. Their little garter snake out here on the pond. Little baby. Right there. There he goes. This is the end of a good run. Here, Billy, here. Here, here. Good boys. They did a good job. I don't know what Billy's trying to do. He's trying to hunt. But there they are. Boogie's caught in the middle again. He just caught in the middle. Yep, he just caught in the middle. Yep. Alright, time for some biscuits. I'm going to split them up because the boys will start fighting. This is it for the 14th of March. 3 good rabbits, and we're calling it a day.